Hey guys, it's Mrs. Bruner, and I wanted to go over one of the passages that was in your AMI packet that was handed out to you on Tuesday as part of our alternative method of instruction for our snow day on Monday. The packet we're going to look at is the Science of Snowflakes. It's a reading passage, but it will cover your reading, writing, and science instruction for the day. Of course, you have the passage. It's just one page, and then there are 4 total questions, 3 of which are multiple choice, and 1 is an open response. We're not going to go a whole lot over the multiple choice questions. I do want you to make sure that you are using our analyzing and annotating strategies that we use. So you will read the question, read the passage, reread the question, and answer the question, and then you will go back in your passage and highlight parts of the text that you used as evidence to prove your answer. The part I did want to look at was our question 3, which is an open response question. I want you to make sure that you are using your WRAP strategies when you are answering this question. So just to review our WRAP, the R stands for restate. So we are going to make sure that we restate the question. The A is answer the question. And the P is that we are going to prove it with text evidence. So let's look at our question real quick. It says that we are going to use details from the text. So that's actually going to be our prove it. We're going to go back and use those details. And our question is, we're going to explain why water molecules can form when the temperature drops below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So if we're going to look at how we're going to use those WRAP strategies, we are going to, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to restate our question. So we might use this section right here that says water molecules form crystals when the temperature drops below 32 degrees Fahrenheit because, so that would be restating our question. Our answering our question is going to come in with that prove it section because we're going to be using the details from the passage. So we're going to say something like water molecules can form crystals when the temperature drops below 32 degrees Fahrenheit because, according to paragraph 2, quotation marks, and then you're going to give one of the details such as, when the temperature drops below 32 degrees Fahrenheit or colder, water changes from a liquid to a solid, period, quotation marks. Then you might say something like, additionally, in paragraph 3, it states, quotation marks, and then give your details. So that would be making sure that you have used those WRAP strategies we've been using all year, where you're going to restate your question and you're going to answer it and prove it by using that citing of evidence. So making sure that you're using your quotation mark rules as well. If you have any questions, make sure you ask me before the packet is due on Monday, and be sure that you are referring back to our success criteria for answering open response questions. Thank you.